One.
This is Open Middle, a website resource of excellent open source problems for you to use with your students. No sign-in required. The way we navigate this site is that across the top we see the grade levels. And when you hover over a grade level, the domains for that grade level will come down. And we will pick one of those to try. And then your choices of problems will come up here. Read more will open the problem for you. And then you're able to preview and decide if this is one you wanted to use. All of them will follow the same idea that there will be multiple ways to solve the problem. In this case, the students are arranging the digits 1 through 9 to make three-digit numbers that will make a sum as close to 1,000 as possible. You might print this out by hovering down here where it says print. Just watch that the page will print with the hint and the answer that you'll want to take off before you reproduce that for students. Another way to project this for students would be to hover on the picture and right click to open the image in a new tab. This will come up behind your existing tab, and you'll be able to just project the graphic for the students without the distractors and without needing to print. You'll notice below here there are hints, which can be very useful. They're usually in the form of a question that you will pose to the students to help them get started. All of these activities are a great way to invite conversation, boost collaboration, and problem solving in your classes. Open Middle also provides this worksheet that would be in a large or regular version. We'll take a look at the large version. This is if your students have journals, they might just do this right in a math journal. But this is the idea of slowing down their thinking and recording what they tried the first time and what did they learn from that attempt and how will they try another one. And then as we scroll down, we'll see this provides for quite a few attempts. I believe there's 6 attempts there. So that would be a printable page or something that you could reproduce inside a journal. Open Middle in our curriculum can be found also. We have sorted when you're on any given question. If you were to scroll down the question to the teaching resources, you will see a placeholder for Open Middle problem solving. And here we have sorted for the problems that would be most directly related to what's going on in that question. So in this case, second grade, having to do with money. So these would be problems to do with money. However, you can feel free to scroll back and forth across the top here to find a variety of problems to fit the needs of varying levels of students.